Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we will see how to do 30 easy moves for beginners in parkour. And we start from the first trick. It's a monkey. When you're running or do standing and you put your legs and knees between your arms, and sometimes it's really incredible trick and it looks like so cool when you do this on the pre, like Kong pre or something like that. Check it out. The second trick is a lazy vault, when you need to go in the side way and you put your one leg, you swing your one leg and go to other direction. Third trick is a turn vault. If you don't want to make a big high drop, if you have a rail, you just put on 180 and after do descent or drop. Fourth trick is speed, when you're running faster and you use your one hand to go over obstacle. Fifth trick is cat leap or arm jump, when you jump from the legs to the wall and you catch the wall grab and after you can do the muscle up. Sixth trick is a balance, when you go on your legs on the rail or on some tiny wall and you try to test your balance. Seventh trick is similar to balance, but it's like call it cat balance because you use your hands. I'm showing you how it looks like. The eighth trick is accuracy or standing pre. It's so good for your plyometrics, but it's not necessary to make a sticks, but it's show your skills. Nine is a roll, when you need to drop with the big high or you over-rotated your flip. It's really help you to survive. 10 is a dash, when you're running faster and you jump first, put your leg further, straight leg, and after use your hand. 11 is a landing, when you drop not from the big high, but if you don't go forward, if you just drop down, you can use your arms. It's like so easy. 12 is a reverse, when you're running, you make a jump on 360 rotation and you use your hand. Fly roll usually kinda looks like for basics, if you just want to go over any tiny obstacle like a spot or rail or just for fun. 14 is a cache. It's a mix of the combination of two tricks, the monkey and dash. 15 wall run. It's when you need to go over or climb up on the really high wall. 16 is cat leap 180, when you make a arm jump cat leap and you figure out that you want to come back to the first place. Yeah, if you want to make on accuracy, just watch the video. 17 is tic-tac. When you're running on one way, use your leg and jump from other direction. 18 is palm spin. It's when you do the jump 360 on the same wall and you come back on the same place. 19 wall spin is the same thing like a palm spin, but just from the wall. Straight wall, flat wall, or curved wall. I'm a long time don't do the wall spin on the straight wall. I think if I make it right now I will fail, but right now from the curved wall it's like so easy. $20 is a Kong, is similar for the monkey, but when you need to jump a little bit further from the obstacle. $21 is two-hand, when you use your two hands, like similar like a monkey, but you put your legs from the side. $22 is safety, when you do kinda like a monkey, but after you put your leg through the, I don't know how this explain, just watch. $23 is running pre, when you're just running, do jump, you do precision or stick. $24 is 180 drop, when you're in cat leap and you need to just do drop down. $25 is sit waltz. I'll just show you how it looks like. $26 chest vault. Watch this. $27 it's a baby cartwheel. I probably never hear about this name of the trick, but when I saw how to do this Jason Paul, I know what's mean. $28 is a waist roll, when you over rotate on your butt. Safety wall rewind. I really tried to make this trick, but it's kinda iffy. Looks like so iffy, and I really don't like how I do this. The Jason Paul makes is really great, but my technique is worse. But it's a basic trick. So if you wanna do the basic tricks, you need to try this. $30 trick, it's a side vault. Watch this. If you really like this video, please subscribe, comment, leave a like, and that's all.